In this video, I will show you how to create a simple Telegram bot using the Telegraph framework and run it locally as Firebase Cloud function. To simplify the creation of our Telegram bot, we will use the next bot framework, Telegraph.js. It's modern Telegraph bot framework. Let's install it using the npm. Let's copy this command, npm install telegraph --save, and open the terminal. First of all, let's open the functions directory, change directory, functions, and paste this command. Press enter. You will see the process of installation, this library. Okay, we successfully installed this Telegraph framework. Now, let's go again to the Telegraph.js site and copy, for example, this piece of code and return to your code editor. Let's paste it. As you see, we connected the Telegraph library, and on the line 4 we are calling the constructor of this library. As you see, we should paste here the Telegram token. Go to Telegram and copy and paste the token of your bot. Now let's discuss about other lines. Our bot will respond with the welcome message if it started. The bot will respond with the send me a sticker message if someone will send the help command. The bot will respond with thumbs up sticker if we send any sticker to the bot. The bot will respond with a hi there message if we send the hi to the bot. After all these listeners, we are starting our bot using the launch method of the bot instance. Okay, let's start this bot locally and try it in the Telegram. Open the terminal and run again, Firebase serve. Okay, let's test our bot in the Telegram. Open the Telegram application again and try to open our current weather bot. Let's press start. Okay, we see the welcome message. Let's try to send the help command. Okay, send me a sticker. Let's send this one. Okay, maybe I'm mistaken, but okay, maybe I'm mistaken and our bot not listen the stickers. But let's try with this command, hi. Yes, it's working. We successfully set up our bot locally.